Hey there, welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. In today's video, I will be working on this vase. I'm going to be transforming this vase into something black and white. So stick with me to the end and you will see the finished product. Okay, so in order to achieve the look that I'm going for today, I will be spraying using a spray paint to do the first coat of the white. I will also go in with this metallic white pearl after I spray paint the vase white, okay? And I will also be doing the inside of the vase black because I want it to have that beautiful black and white effect, and I don't want the green to be showing. All right, so to achieve the design on the outside of the vase, I will be weeding away this leopard print. I'm really excited to see the finished product of this project, and I'm sure you are too. So this is something quick and easy to add to your decor, or whatever projects you're working on around the house. It's a really nice touch. It's just something I thought about, and we are going to try this together. All right, so remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my quick videos, tutorials, or great ideas that I have to share. All right, so this process requires me to just do a little bit of weeding. So we're cleaning up the design. If you're familiar with using a Cricut Explorer or any of those machines that you're able to cut designs with, there's a little bit of work that goes into cleaning up your design. But this one is pretty quick. All right. So what I did first was to measure the area of the vase that I want to put the design on, and it's going to be like a full wraparound design. So I'll be taking these off individually and placing them on the vase. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to go off cam and spray this in white, black on the inside, and when it's dry I'll come back and walk you through the steps of applying the metallic pearl white. All right, so I'll see you in a few. Okay, so after a couple hours of working with the spray paint, I am back to do the acrylic coverage. So I'm going to go in with one coat of acrylic and allow that to dry. So we're going with the white pearl, and I'll be using my foam brush because then it will allow me to do a wider spread of coverage. All right. So I believe the metallic acrylic pearl white will give me a nice finish on this vase once we're done. I honestly don't think I need more than one coat of this acrylic paint, and it should allow the vinyl to sit nicely as well. I think it would work either ways, if it's just the spray paint and the vinyl, or the acrylic and the vinyl. Okay, I need some more. Okay, I think that's it. And I'm not gonna do too much on the bottom because I don't want it to strip off. Okay. All right, so there we go. I'm gonna set this aside and allow it to dry. In a couple hours we should be good, and I will be back. Okay, so we're back, and our acrylic has been dried, and I am going to, so we have the black on the inside and our pearl whites on the outside. So I could go ahead and use my transfer sheets to do the entire thing, but I figure it might be a little bit difficult to accomplish, and I don't want to mess up my design. So I am going in using single vinyls and applying them to the glass. Okay. And this way I control where I put the different pieces. And I believe these are relatively easy to add because, you know, they're smaller pieces of vinyl, so it shouldn't be hard to apply. All right. I'm trying to keep a similar pattern to what's on the paper. Maybe I will be spacing them a little bit more than it is right now. Okay. All right, so let me just get in. This thing keeps moving. So you're just going in and just adding pieces of the leopard design all over the glass. Okay. And I don't want to damage my glass at all. So you see there's a little, I think my tweezer just did that, so I'm gonna cover it up. Let's see if without the tweezer I can get it off easily. And the tweezer was doing a better job. There we go. Oh yeah, we can work without the tweezer. Okay. So I'm just randomly placing the designs all over. No specific way to do it. All right, so I'm gonna speed this process up so it doesn't seem too tedious for you. Okay, here we are. We have a few left. So I just randomly went around the vase and added some designs. So the inside is black, and on the outside we have a nice white pearl metallic acrylic with our leopard print, my style. On the bottom I did go back in with a little of the white and pearl because it was stripping a little bit after the spray paint. I guess it wasn't like fully dried when I tried to start working with it. But here we are. This is the finished product, and it's just something to, you know, add to my home decor. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this design? And if you have any suggestions on how I could have done it differently, I'm definitely open to hearing. All right, thank you so much for sticking with me through the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.